Breaking news coming in India today. Today's NCP leader's close aide Sunil Patil, who was called the mastermind of the cruise drug bust case. The alleged NCP worker spoke exclusively with Sunil Patil, who says that he was called on by Manish Bhanushali, who had the tip. Patil says Bhanushali asked him to get in touch with Sam. He claims Sam, Manish and Kiran Gosavi conspired and took money. That is the latest coming in right there.
ये किसने रिकॉर्ड किया आपका स्टेटमेंट? एनसीबी ने?
धवल भानुशाली और दिल्ली के एक ग्रुप का मतलब रुका के मेरे पे अटैक किया उन्होंने 4 दिन पहले, फिर अहमदाबाद भेज दिया।
लेकिन वो जो सैम बोल रहा है कि आपने उसको कांटेक्ट किया था और बोला था कि मेरा कांटेक्ट करा दो एनसीबी ऑफिशियल के साथ
ना मेरे पास ना टिप आएगी ना कुछ आया था। मेरे को मनीष भानुशाली ने टिप भेजा था, बोला आपका कांटेक्ट, मना किया भाई मेरा कोई कांटेक्ट नहीं, सैम का कांटेक्ट है, आप दोनों जो कर रहा है करो।
फिर वो पगारे ने जो बोला कि आपने बोला कि पैसा मिल जाएगा, फिर आपने बोला कि वो 50 लाख ये करके दो।
पगारी को वो पगारे के बाद रिकॉर्डिंग को तो प्रूव करे ना।
अच्छा, नहीं तो टिप मनीष भानुशाली का था। आपका कहना है कि आपने सिर्फ सैम से उनको कांटेक्ट करा के दिया, आपका पैसे से कोई लेना देना नहीं है।
करा के दिया, बस कोई लेना देना नहीं, ना पैसे से लेकर देना ना किसी चीज से लेना था। मैं ऑलरेडी अहमदाबाद में ही 4 तारीख तक, 1 तारीख से लेकर 4 तारीख तक।
Pankaj Upadhyay is now joining us live for the latest. Pankaj, too many twists and turns and too many players being added to this entire saga for the uninitiated. It's very, very difficult to keep up with all these names that are coming to the fore. If you could just break this down for our viewers.
Ali, who claimed that they were just helping. Just 1 second. I'm sorry for this.
All right, take a second. But
yeah. Am I audible now, Chaiti?
Yes, absolutely. Go ahead.
Yes. Now,
So
I was saying.
Yes. So I was saying, who's to be believed here? Because statements and attacks and counter-attacks, even as the leaders are talking about this case, personal attacks are also being made. So interesting, this only gets murkier. You know, first of all, we had KP Gosavi and Manish Bhanushali, who were seen right here outside the Narcotics Control Bureau, and they had said that they were only helping the NCB in this entire case. Then we had Prabhakar Sel, the driver of KP Gosavi, who alleged that a deal was being brokered between KP Gosavi and one Sam D'Souza. We heard Sam D'Souza's video as well, who maintained that it was Sunil Patil who had called him. Now, Sunil Patil became a mystery figure because Sunil Kamboj, a Karyakarta of the Bharatiya Janata Party, maintained that Sunil Patil is an NCP member. Today, Cabinet Minister Nawab Malik held a press conference and said that neither Sunil Patil nor KP Gosavi and others, they should not be spared because they are using political parties for their own benefit. He denied having met him. He said he does not belong to the NCP. So who's this mystery creature, Sunil Patil, after all? Today, Sunil Patil talks to India Today exclusively, and he says that he is not the player here. In fact, he got a tip from Manish Bhanushali. Manish Bhanushali had instead earlier said that he is a simple Karyakarta of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So this rigmarole, Chaiti, continues.
Yes.
It is one word for the other. He has said that, quoting Sunil Patil, he says, I was called by Manish Bhanushali. He had the tip. So he is now passing the buck. He asked me to get in touch. He asked me to get in touch with Sam D'Souza. Remember, Sam D'Souza had said that he had got a call from Sunil Patil, that he is only a facilitator. Now Sunil Patil says that he has nothing to do. He was also just a mere facilitator. Sam, Manish and Kiran Gosavi did the racket and took the money. So you know, statements coming from all the sides as the investigation, you know, is moving ahead. Now all these players one by one, Chaiti, will have to come out. Tomorrow is going to be a big day because not just the SIT, the NCB SIT is going to be here. NCB vigilance team is also going to be here. They have to record the statements of Prabhakar Sel, KP Gosavi, Sam D'Souza and of course Sunil Patil as well.
All right. Thanks for breaking this down for our viewers, Pankaj.